Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily fix the game mode not working in Roblox on iPhone and iPad. Game mode can help you improve gaming experience and reduce distractions while playing Roblox on your iPhone and iPad. But sometimes the feature may not work properly due to software glitches, outdated settings, or device compatibility issues. So if Roblox is not triggering game mode automatically or you are experiencing lag or performance drops or notification interruptions during gameplay, there are some pretty handy fixes you can try. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to swipe right from the bottom of the screen and hold along the middle of the display to reveal the app switcher. Then you have to first create all the open apps including Roblox by swiping up. Then you have to head over to the settings app and choose battery. After that, you have to disable the low power mode. Then you have to navigate to settings app, general, background app refresh, and now find the Roblox app and ensure that it is allowed to refresh in the background. Then you have to head over to the App Store on your device and search for Roblox and hit the update button located right next to it. After that, you have to restart your device. And once your device has successfully rebooted, launch the Roblox app. Now, make sure that your device is connected to a strong and stable internet connection. Then you have to bring up the control center by swiping down from the upper right corner of the screen. Then you have to hit Roblox Game Overlay option. Now you have to hit the three lines menu button located at the upper right. Then you have to tap on the game mode button to activate it. Hopefully the beloved game mode has activated as usual and begin to play nice with Roblox to help you get the most out of your top games. However, should the problem still persist, I would recommend you to update the software on your device because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the game mode from functioning properly. So head over to the settings app on your device and then choose general. After that, select software update and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS on your device. And that's pretty much it. In most cases, updating iOS, restarting your device, enabling the correct settings, or clearing the unnecessary background activity can quickly restore proper gaming performance. Since the game mode is closely tied to system optimization, keeping both Roblox and your device fully updated plays a major role in preventing future problems. Now that you have unlocked these pretty handy methods, make the most of them as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.